Hello, I am Fr Kirt Prospere, and I'm thankful and happy to be a Roman Catholic priest in the Diocese of Bridgetown in Barbados. The upcoming ordination of Bishop-elect Neil Scantlebury is a sacred and historic moment in our diocese and our country. With his early formation starting right here in Barbados, Bishop-elect Neil will be the first Barbadian to be ordained a Roman Catholic bishop anywhere in the world. Preparations are underway for this special day, but there is still a lot to be done, and we need your help. Let's make the ordination of Bishop-elect Neil Scantlebury a memorable event in the history of our diocese and our country, Barbados. Here's how you can help.